Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in your Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a straightforward process that will help you personalize your driving experience. To begin, you'll want to find the Setup or Settings button on your car's central infotainment system. Once you press it, you'll see a main menu appear on the screen. From there, simply navigate to the General Settings category to proceed to the next step. Now that you are in the General Settings, you will see an option specifically labeled Language. Go ahead and select this. Your infotainment screen will then present a comprehensive list of all the languages available for your vehicle's system. Take your time to scroll through this list and identify the language you wish to set as your new preference. Once you have found your preferred language in the list, simply tap on it to select it. The system will then typically display a confirmation prompt, asking you to verify your choice. It's important to confirm this selection to ensure the change takes effect. After confirmation, your Hyundai Santa Fe's infotainment system will instantly update to the newly chosen language. To finalize the process, take a moment to observe your infotainment display. You should immediately notice that the language has changed. Browse through a few menu items and check different labels to confirm that your new language is fully active across the system. Now, you can enjoy navigating and interacting with your Hyundai Santa Fe in your preferred language, making your driving experience even more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.